does that melody go again? That's it.
When I popped off, stun on you lanes, and I've been living like a rock star. Really a shame when y'all be flexing when I drop top. Got him a chain while I be grinding for the top spot. Changing the game, I've been rolling with my ride or dies. Know they twisting up that la la la, la la la. Blowing up, you know it's time to shine, time to shine. And we don't gotta sign no dotted line, dotted line.
Finally winning, so give me my credit. Running through lines, I feel like I'm better. Live in the lab, I'm a hell of a chemist. I'm feeding for beats, I developed a fetish. I got my adversaries in the scope. Know that boy Jackavelli do the most. Used to be tripping, but now that I'm winning, I just want a glass of Henny, let me toast. Mind elevated, I feel like I'm Buddha. Just take a look at the way I maneuver. Said they gon' make it, but I made it sooner. So get on your knees and bow down to your ruler. Yeah, I be the one they follow.